My boys are always building something, so we're constantly looking for toys that keep their attention without involving a screen. These Beblox tiles have been such a hit in our house. What I like about them is that they're simple, but they leave a lot of room for creativity. There's an idea book included, but my boys just prefer to build their own designs. They've built animals, towers, vehicles, action figures, and all kinds of random creations I never would have thought of. The pieces snap together easily, which makes them fun for younger kids, but they're also really challenging enough to keep older kids interested. I love seeing them problem solve as they figure out what works and what doesn't, and how to make their ideas come to life. As a parent, I also appreciate that they're doing more than just playing. They're working on fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination, spatial awareness, and creativity without even realizing it. It's educational, but they just see it as fun. This set comes with plenty of pieces to build with, and it keeps multiple kids busy at the same time. These have definitely been worth having around.